Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 4th, our word of the day is pusillanimous. P-U-S-I-L-L-A-N-I-M-O-U-S. Pusillanimous. Pusillanimous is a 13-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Pusillanimous means weak and cowardly, frightened of taking risks. Similar words include faint-hearted, lily-livered, chicken-hearted, gutless, pigeon-hearted, spiritless, spineless, craven. Examples of sentences using pusillanimous are: He's too pusillanimous to stand up to his opponents. They are pusillanimous politicians who vote according to whichever way the political wind is blowing. The pusillanimous man would not defend his own family. You're entirely as pusillanimous and deceitful as the politicians you describe. But I suppose we can rely on you to be as pusillanimous as ever. Where the president should be direct and full-throated, he has been, at best, indirect and pusillanimous. Make sure to save this new word, pusillanimous, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.